Ray. So we got a Craftsman wall first, blank canvas. We got a couple things going on here. We're gonna do a board and batten accent wall over here and then build up a header here on the door. Walk us through this project a little.
So we're gonna put a 1x down the sides with a doorstop with a 1x6 backer with a piece of crown that covers the top that gives a profile to give it that style.
It's gonna look really sharp. Craftsman, my personal favorite. Let's get started on
Mine
this
also.
project. Awesome.
Well, we're going to go over how this was installed. The 35 E2 casing with the 887 stop, 1x6, and the 52 crown with the return on it. They came down a 1/2 inch on the 1x6. It builds out from the depth of this to the 887 stop to the 1x6.
All right, Ray, we're here in our Craftsman wall, my personal favorite. We have the header that we did and also this board and batten wall. A couple key components on this on how you install it, and because this is a commercial building, there's something that everybody should know that there's an extra step you have to do here. Explain it to us, please.
Well, when they laid the wall out, they took the distance and how many boxes, height and width, and divided it by that number. Then they took and adhered it to the wall with some adhesive, and then they tacked it to keep it in place, and they went back with trim screws and screwed it to the studs. From there, they just moved forward.
So explain to us why we're screwing it here rather than just nailing it.
There's metal studs in a commercial application. If residential would be wood, and you can go ahead and just nail it, but anything that has metal studs with a 5/8 drywall behind it, it's commercial. So it's going to have a thin metal stud behind it that a screw can adhere to.
It's a great tip right there. The difference between commercial and residential, and that extra step on the commercial makes a big difference.